In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe a contact on Mailchimp. Whether you're tidying up your audience list or honoring a subscriber's request to be removed, understanding how to manually handle unsubscribes is an integral part of managing your email marketing efforts effectively. First things first, you will need to navigate to the Mailchimp website. Open up your preferred web browser and type the login URL for Mailchimp. This will direct you to the page where you can begin the login process. Remember, keeping your account secure is paramount, so ensure you're logging in from a secure and private connection. Once you've reached the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. It's crucial you enter the username or email associated with your Mailchimp account. If you're like me and have a dozen different email accounts for various needs, it might take a second to remember the correct one. If you're completely stumped, Mailchimp has a recovery process that can help you figure it out. Next up, you'll be asked to type in your password. If you've followed best practices, this should be a complex and unique password that you haven't reused across other sites. Type it in carefully, and if you've forgotten it, don't worry. Mailchimp provides a way to reset it. After entering your password, click on the Login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Your campaigns, audience lists, and insights are all nestled within this dashboard, ready for you to explore. Once logged in, make your way to the home page of Mailchimp. Here, you'll find a summary of your account's recent activity, along with a navigation menu that includes the option entitled Audience. Click on Audience to proceed. This section of Mailchimp is where you manage everything related to your subscribers, from their subscription preferences to their personal details. Inside the Audience dashboard, you'll see various options, including one labeled All Contacts. Click on it to view a comprehensive list of every individual subscribed to your newsletters or campaigns. This is the place where you can deep dive into your audience, segment lists, and much more. Now it's time to find the specific contact you wish to unsubscribe. Mailchimp provides search functions and filters to help you narrow down your list, making it easier to find the individual in question. Once located, click on their name to preview their profile. This is where you can see all the relevant details about their interactions with your campaigns. In the contact's profile, look for 3 dots or an options menu. This menu hides additional actions you can take regarding the contact's profile. Clicking here is essential for finding the option to manage subscription settings. Within this menu, find and click on Unsubscribe Email. This action is the final step in manually removing a subscriber from your email list. A confirmation may pop up asking if you're sure about this action. If you are, proceed to confirm. It's essential to respect the wishes of your audience, and unsubscribing those who no longer wish to receive your emails is a part of this process. Remember, maintaining a healthy, active, and engaged email list is far more beneficial than holding on to subscribers who are no longer interested. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the process of unsubscribing a contact from your Mailchimp audience. It's a straightforward process, but one that holds significance in the grand scheme of email marketing. Managing your audience effectively ensures your campaigns reach those truly interested in what you have to offer, increasing engagement and ultimately the success of your efforts. Remember, while it's essential to grow your subscriber list, it's equally important to prune it regularly to remove inactive or uninterested subscribers. This keeps your engagement rates healthy and ensures your emails are more likely to land in the inboxes of individuals eager to see them. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to manage subscribers on Mailchimp. Stay tuned for more insightful guides to help you navigate the world of digital marketing with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to the field, there's always something new to learn. Happy emailing!